Hi, this is Gunjan Bansal, and I am presenting this video based on my number of years of experience being part of and while setting up the shared services organizations.
With the advent of shared services model, processes are simplified and standardized. This, coupled with continuous technology and communication advancement, has changed the role of finance function significantly. Now, manual standardized business processes in shared services center are being automated globally across the organizations, and greater focus can be put on control, analysis, and reporting.
With the development of global economy, size of multinational corporations has increased manifold over a period of time. Multinational corporations are engaged in diversified businesses. Normally, large corporations are composed of several individual business units, as we can see here, the several satellites which are representing the individual business units. These business units are created due to country-specific regulatory or reporting requirements, merger and acquisition of various businesses over a period of time, and which is inherent as business grows. Apart from main business activities, each business needs support functions to run the business. For example, human resources, finance, and information technology. In a traditional global organization, each business unit runs the support function as an integral part of its business. Some of the functions may be centrally operated through head office or regionally operated as per business needs. Implementation of shared services helps to deliver common support services. For example, information technology, finance, and HR in each business unit through shared services center. Shared services center works as service provider to each business unit across the group. Normally, shared service center is formed as a support service unit, that is a separate legal entity at a specific location. It helps business unit to focus on core business while shared service unit takes care of support processes. Multinational organizations having operations in several countries use shared service operating model. Under this model, the organizations organize and deliver internal support services through shared services center to add value through efficiency and effectiveness. It normally involves removing most of activities in internal support processes from individual business units. Thereby, most of support processes are delivered from shared services business units. Efficiency and effectiveness is achieved through process simplification, standardization, consolidation, and optimization in form of cost saving and increased service performance.
Today, every organization having pervasive geographical operations has in one or other form considered implementation of shared service center. Regardless of location, service model, structure, common themes remain focused on process simplification, standardization, automation, and efficiency.
Thanks for watching this video. I have published more videos covering several aspects of designing, setting up, and implementing shared services center. Keep watching.